Welcome to Data Diagnosis. Today we are going to look on ADAS Pre-Collision System Calibration. We have a Toyota RAV4 2022 vehicle. Here we have a problem in pre-collision system. The vehicle had an accident before, and there is a pre-collision light on the dashboard itself. So we need to understand what is the error on the ADAS calibration system. We are checking the details now. The ADAS in this tool is not activated, but we have a demo version for this Toyota in other vehicles, so we can check on that. Here you can see the vehicle is American vehicle, so we said North America with the smart key. And this is the full details of the vehicle, the VIN number and other things. Okay? Now we are checking all the functions of ADAS in the vehicle, and we will get the details of it so you can see the full ADAS system on the vehicle. So we will scan each and every function. Start scanning. So here we have an issue in the blind spot. We'll go for the report. Here the error is on the speed sensor of a vehicle. Vehicle speed sensor, it has an issue. We're saving the report. We clear the DTC. But still the collision issue is there till now. Now we are checking the full health report on the calibration function interval to understand why these lights are there. So let us see the full health report of the vehicle here. Here, still showing this wheel pitch sensor, compare failure, and the wheel switch sensor has an issue. So we will go for calibration. We have special function here. Now we will check in the vehicle control history of ROV. Ignition on, engine off. Click OK. Now it is showing there is a front radar sensor temporarily unavailable. And we will try to clear the error. Now, after clearing it, even the fault is there. So we will see what is the fault repair details. It is saying dynamic calibration. So we will go for dynamic calibration. Now we are working on dynamic calibration. So we are just driving the vehicle on the road to see the front radar sensor on an adjustment, on an axis adjustment mode. Automatically, it will adjust it. So we are running in a dynamic mode. So now we are completed. So we had to see the front radar sensor a success now. Save the report. Go back. Then we can see there's no light right now. You can see the dynamic calibration has been done successfully. So we will try again and check. Now we can see the blind spots are working. BSM is working now. We'll try cruise control. So now it is sensing there is a car in front of it. You can see the vehicle is automatically stopped. I didn't press the brake. Now I am pressing the brake. Radar ready. You can see there is a mention written. The radar is ready right now, successfully. Now I change the track. Now there is no vehicle showing there. You can see the radar. If any car comes in the middle, it will directly show the vehicle symbol. You see there is a one car going in front of you, right? So now the car is detected, and you can see there is a car logo there. Now it is automatically stopping the vehicle, reducing the kilometer and stopping the vehicle. Now it is reducing. Now it came to 0 stop without touching the brake pedal now. Now you see it is in the waiting mode. Earlier, it was a radars ready, right? So now it is showing waiting mode. Now we need to click accelerator. You accelerate one time and you just leave it. It will go according to the opposite car. So if the car is not there, it will take you to the maximum speed you set. If there is a car, it will directly stop you. If the car is there, it will automatically stop you to the speed of the other car. So if you change the lane, it will go faster even. So now we need to take right. The car came in the middle, so it's stopping. So now we had done the calibration of pre-collision system. In this area, in this programming, we didn't had any reflector in ourselves. So we did dynamic calibration if we had reflectors or ACC module to program it. So then we will have like a static, we can do this function in a static calibration itself. As we don't have this reflector, we did in dynamic calibration, which means we run on the road and then we calibrate that. Front radar sensor, thank you.
DaTo,
The legendary leader of automotive equipments,